What's up, everybody? I'm Kris from Avahi Design, and welcome back to the Avahi channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a child theme for your WordPress website. Let's go ahead and hop in. So there's a couple terms that I'm going to be using throughout the video that you're going to need to know. So the first one being theme. A WordPress theme is just it's the basis of your website. It is what holds all of your design and your code. Every WordPress site has a theme, and generally speaking, the very first theme that's going to be installed on your site is going to be WordPress 2020. The next thing we got to talk about is parent themes. Parent themes are the main theme. So that 2020 theme, you could use that as a parent theme. You can use just about any theme for your parent theme, but the idea is that that's going to be where the majority of your code is. And then a child theme, which is what we'll be creating, is essentially just, it's an offshoot of that. So a child theme has to work with your parent theme. And the idea is that the code in the child theme will override the parent theme. You know, if I want to add a little bit of custom CSS, then I would just create a child theme and put all of my code within that child theme, so that if the developer updates their theme, it doesn't wipe all my code out. So that's the background of child themes. Now that I've gone over that, let's go ahead and hop in and start creating our own. So creating a child theme is pretty simple. First, we're going to make a folder and then name it. So in this case, I'm using Storefront as my parent theme. So I'm just going to name this Storefront Child. And then within that folder, we need to create two other files. So we're going to go ahead and open up Visual Studio Code, and we're going to create a new file. So for now, we're just going to save as, and this one is going to be called style.css. Helps if I can type it properly. Save. And then we need another file, and this one we are going to save as functions.php. Now these are going to be in the base of Storefront Child, so you don't need to create a folder or anything on the inside. So now that we have those two folders, we're going to look at the CSS first, and I'm going to copy and paste some code in. So this will be in the description below if you want to go check it out. I'm going to create the entire child theme for you, and you can look at it and get the code from there. The theme name, you can name that whatever you want. Generally, I name it the client name, because this is what shows up on the admin panel. For version, that's just the number. You can leave that as 1.0. For me, like I said, I'm using Storefront, so we're going to leave child theme for Storefront as the description. And then the author, you can go ahead and put your name in, and then author URI, just go ahead and put in your link, and you can link to whatever you want. And then the most important part is the template. So for template, you want to put your parent theme name, and you want to make sure that it's exactly the way that they spell it in the WordPress directory. So we're going to go ahead and save that, and then we're going to go to functions.php. So technically right now, you could upload this file and it would work as a child theme. But the problem is that you want your child theme to inherit all of the CSS styles from your parent theme. That's where you get all the design for your website. So for this, we're going to go ahead and Command V and paste in another line of code. And essentially what this is doing is it is enqueuing the style, the parent style, for style CSS from the parent theme. Like I said, this will be linked down below, and you don't have to change any of this. You can copy and paste it just as this is shown. Okay, so we'll go ahead and save that functions.php file and go back to our folder. So you'll see style.css, functions.php, all in that Storefront Child folder. The last little thing is that you have to compress it down to a zip. Anytime you upload a theme to WordPress, they always want you to upload a zip file. So we went ahead and compressed it, and now we're going to go to our WordPress site. This is a 100% fresh install of WordPress. So I'm going to show you exactly how I would do it. After you log in, you're going to get to the dashboard, and then you go to Appearance and Themes. Okay, so when you get to your themes, you're going to see a couple already installed themes Like I said, these come directly from WordPress. We're going to go ahead and click add new theme over here. Before we upload our child theme, we are going to download our parent theme. So in this case, like I said, it's Storefront. Once that installs, you don't even have to activate it. Next, we're going to go to upload theme. And like I said, if you have a theme in a zip format, you may install it or update it by uploading it here. So we're going to choose file. We're going to go to our theme and open. Hit install now, and it's going to do a couple things. Theme installed successfully. From here, we'll just click activate, and now we have a theme. If you want to upload an image, I'll be doing a tutorial in the future where I show you how to change the image on your theme. But you can see right here, it says active test site. This is what I was talking about whenever I said you want to put the theme name. This is why I usually put it as a client name, because it shows on the front end. So you just created a child theme, you just uploaded it, everything's working perfectly. What do you do next now that you have that child theme? You're going to go down to Appearance and Theme Editor. You're going to get this heads up. It's saying that you're making direct edits to your theme. Like I said, the reason why we use a child theme is so that we aren't editing our theme directly. We're editing a child theme that is separate from our parent theme. And from here, you can add any code that you need. So that's how you make a child theme. Like I said, if you want to use my child theme that I made for you, go ahead and go to the description down below. That's going to be for a storefront child theme. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. We'll be right back.